Hello, I'm Bernard Hickey from interest.co.nz and welcome to 90 at 9, brought to you in association with the Bank of New Zealand. This is your morning briefing where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. Starting now with news, the Reserve Bank of Australia is talking again about increasing interest rates. It turned quite hawkish yesterday when the Governor, Glenn Stevens, made some comments about Australia's mining boom. He says this is the biggest boom in prices and export revenues since the late 1890s, at least in proportion to Australia's economy. Luckily for us, we're next to the lucky country, it's our largest trading partner, so we should watch this closely. And it also shows there's a bit of a divergence going on between New Zealand and Australia. Remember last week, our Reserve Bank said that interest rates are likely to be on hold for a bit. And so we're going to see the Australian rates rise while ours stay flat. Now that means that the Australian dollar has done better than the New Zealand dollar in the last few days. We're actually down to the New Zealand dollar to 77 Australian cents from 79 cents about a week ago. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 rose 1.5% overnight. Some reasonably good news on the US economy. Turns out the US recession ended in mid-2009, according to the National Bureau of Economic Research. It's the official body which decides when recessions start and finish. It said the recession lasted 18 months. But the problems in Europe continue. Irish and Portuguese bond yields rose again overnight. There are fresh concerns about whether that sovereign debt crisis is over. The yields there for Ireland and Portuguese bonds 400 basis points above German bonds. Gold hit a record high of $1,285 an ounce again overnight. Remember, we're all watching for the Federal Reserve on Wednesday morning and its view on whether to print money again. Also, Ireland has to sell more than €1 billion worth of bonds on Tuesday night. That could prove a trigger point for more financial turmoil. I'm Bernard Hickey. That was 90 at 9, brought to you in association with Bank of New Zealand.